Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively motivation step by step. Start by choosing one clear goal and write it where you can see it. Next, list 3 bite-sized tasks that lead toward that goal. Use a visible timer to mark work blocks and short breaks. Remind yourself why this matters and celebrate small wins to keep momentum going throughout your study session. Build a routine that supports focus and makes studying automatic over time. Pick consistent times, set a reliable duration for each block, and treat breaks as part of the plan. Lay out materials, silence distractions, and use a timer to preserve structure. Small rituals like a warm drink or music cue help your brain switch into study mode. Keep the routine simple so you can sustain it even when motivation dips. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh smelling car. It's a handy little mood booster between study sessions. I toss one in when I head to a library or study group, and it always lifts my spirits. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use active study methods that force retrieval and understanding, like quizzing yourself or teaching aloud. Alternate topics when attention wanes to keep effort fresh, and use short, timed intervals to maintain intensity. Keep a simple progress tracker so you can see achievements and adjust pace. If you notice persistent lapses, try changing location or method to reset attention and remind yourself that consistent, tiny improvements compound into big gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.